This is STEAM-Bot.
Hello.
What should we learn about first? Science, technology, engineering, art, math. Let's build a submarine.
Let's grow a tree. Time for some sun. You dug up a T-Rex.
You did it! Mission complete!